The Hindu newspaper editorial page, 26th of June. Top play. Euro 2020 seems to be Euro 2020 seems to belie fears of subdued performances due to the pandemic. Conservative play is often international football's bugbear. National team players spend very little time together for attacking structures and synchronous moves to develop, and a safety first approach always seems around the corner. Ahead of Euro 2020, there were fears that players will be less on the front foot because of the physical and mental toil the COVID 19 pandemic had exacted. By that yardstick, Euro 2020 thus far has proved to be an entertaining fair, with the enthralling play matching the energy of the returning fans. Compared to the previous editions of group stage, there have been 25 goals, 96, 94 to 69, and 4 fewer matches with 1 goal or less, 10 to 14, with just 2 gallows draws. Overall, 15 of the 16 countries in the knockouts have a better group stage record than champion Portugal 5 years ago. Top sides such as Netherlands, Italy, Belgium, and Spain have not moved away from their lively, pressing style of football, despite the tournament coming at the fag end of a long and tiring season. World champion France has not been swashbuckling but seems efficient, while Portugal is always a threat with Cristiano Ronaldo around, 5 goals and 1 assist. Denmark's has been a feel good story, recovering from talisman Christian Erik's on field collapse owing to cardiac arrest in its opening match to make it to the next round. Eriksen is now out of danger, and Denmark has quickly become the neutral choice. However, it remains to be seen how much of the positivity spills over into, into the round of 16, which begins in Amsterdam on Sunday with the Denmark Wales clash. If ever there was a time of cautious play, it's now, with the competition essentially a single elimination, winner take all affair. France, having won the 2018 World Cup, knows a way around such situations. And with midfielder Paul Pogba in imperious form, it remains the favorite. Italy has been the standout team, with its young and energetic outfit coached by the astute Roberto Mancini, expected to go far and bury the ghost of 2018 when it did not qualify the World Cup. Belgium's golden generation, led by Eden Hazard, Kevin De Bruyne, and Romelu Lukaku, seems well placed to realize the dream of a first major trophy. But its shaky defense needs some shoring up. First, against Ronaldo's Portugal, the most anticipated pre quarter-final clash will, however, be between England and Germany at Wembley. But both sides have been middling so far, with their halos significantly dimmed. Germany, in particular, was minutes away from elimination before Leon Goretzka deflected goal against Hungary saved the day. But the weight of history can hang heavy on England, for its for it has won just 3 out of 11 competitive fixtures against Germany in last 20 years ago.